welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari, and in today's video we will be reviewing the new Colourpop collaboration with the Winx Club. Before we even start talking about anything else, let's get into this packaging. How cute is she? Look at the Winx girls. Oh my gosh, this is the Just Like Magic pressed powder palette. So let's take it out of the box. Okay, even cuter out of the box. Look at how cute these Winx Club girls look. Oh my gosh, look at these baby dolls. They're so cute. I think I have favorite, definitely her. Very cute. Love her hair, her outfit. Oh my gosh, and I love a sneaky smile, so definitely they are so. Oh, and the redhead, I don't know, they're all cute. Look at her, she like, yes girl, I see you. They're so freaking cute. Okay, so if you have not already seen the short with the swatches, it is available to you on the YouTube shorts on my channel, so that's where the swatches will be if you're interested in those. Otherwise, we will continue on with the tutorial and review. After doing the swatches, honestly, this color right here was very surprising to me. It looks like a white shimmer, but it came off pretty lavender, more than what I was expecting, but it is very cute. Now, upon first impression with this palette, this yellow just kind of sticks out to me. Like, why are you here? Like, I know why she's there, don't get me wrong. I know why Solaria is there, but it's just like, it just sticks out like a sore thumb. Like, all these beautiful colors and then burnt yellow. We couldn't get a better yellow, but it is one of those cute mattes that has a little bit of glitter in it. I'm just not sure that we'll use it today. We'll definitely use the Pure Magic, but that one to be determined. I'm thinking we're gonna definitely do 2 looks today. This palette is way too big to only do 1. I do want to use this shade. I also want to use some of these blues too, but ooh, let's just see what happens. We're just gonna start diving in and see what happens. First things first though, I do want to start with Andros right here. This is a Morphe Nyan FF6 brush that we're going to use. This palette did not have a mirror, so we definitely have to go and grab one just now. Before we start that, I'm going to grab some translucent powder out of the drawer of drawers, if I can find it. I thought I was going to be able to find like a translucent powder, but we're just going to have to use this for now, because I do not want to deal with the fallout of all this, because I know it's going to be bright. It's gonna be colorful. There will be tons and tons of fallout. Save ourselves the trouble. So if you put some powder under your eyes, I mean, I'm sure you guys already know, but if you put some powder on it, it helps get it off easier. So that's why we did that. So yes, we're gonna take that shade. This is Andros. This is a Morphe Nyan FF6. We're just gonna start down here. I'm not really sure where we're gonna go with this look yet, so let's just see what happens. We're just gonna see. So far, the shade is looking very pretty. I am gonna have to bring in something lighter to blend it upwards, but right now this is very pretty. But what just happened? I don't know if you guys can tell, but it just like, I dipped in to get some more and it just got really patchy. We're not off to a great start, I'm gonna be honest. What just happened? We just started. What's going on? We're gonna give it the benefit of the doubt right now. Maybe it was just me. Perhaps it will get better. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is Charmix. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I've never even watched the Winx Club. I have no idea. I feel like I'm butchering these names. I have no idea, so there's that. I've seen it before, like I know what they are, but yeah. Never watched it, so I don't actually know these girls' names. So this is probably definitely a wrong brush choice, but it's actually working out. So I guess it's too big, but it's working out. So this is the Sugar Rush Gold Getter brush. I'm trying to bring that up so that shade can blend upwards and not be so messy looking. Now I'm going back in with that shade Andros, the same brush. Did not add more product. I'm just going in to blend the 2 shades together, and it looks pretty good. So good blend so far. We're good to go. GTG, we are good to go. I don't know why I got so hyped just then. It's like, we're just doing makeup. It's just makeup, sis. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade Zenith. This is an Elizabeth Mott all over shadow brush. So we're gonna take this one. This is also one of those mattes that has the shimmer in it, like the glitter. Very, very pretty shades. Very pretty shades. But what often happens is that they don't transfer that well. But we spoke too soon. This one is fire. Look at this shade, y'all. This is beautiful. I actually was really concerned that this was gonna come off looking kind of weird, but this is absolutely gorgeous. See, now I wish I would have started with that yellow shimmer and then did the green. That is very, very pretty. I loving this. We are gonna use this shade right here. This is Nature Symphony. I told you we didn't really know where we were going with this look. We still don't know. We're just gonna do something and see what happens. I'm gonna put Nature Symphony. This one was really chunky too, so let's just see. I am using the Elizabeth Mott brush again. I'm just putting this right in the middle, which is turning out to be a terrible decision because it's making that green look all patchy. I have a feeling we can fix it, but it is looking kind of patchy. Like, what's going on? This is looking really, really good though. Now I'm going back into that green. What was the name of the shade? This was Zenith. Going back into Zenith, trying to salvage this color right here. It's just not working. So now I'm gonna go back into Nature Symphony, that shimmer. I'm just gonna try to put it on with my finger instead and see if that helps. That did not help. Oh my heavens. How did we get here? I know how we got here. We did not have a plan. Okay, so, trying to figure out how we can fix this without starting completely over because I do not want to do that. So we're gonna go back into the Andros right here and we're gonna just try to blend this side in. And I'm glad we used this tiny brush to begin with because this is working out better. Now it's looking like this was supposed to happen. It's looking like it was supposed to happen. No, it's not. No, it is not. It is not looking like it was supposed to happen, y'all. This side is turning into a complete disaster. Let's try to put something else on top and just see. So I'm gonna try Nature Symphony again and try to put more on top of this shade just to see. If we just put something on it, then it'll look fine. What a disaster. What a disaster. Okay, you know, oh wow. So we just may have come up with a solution, you guys. So I took the shade Rising Tide on my lid and then just put it right here with my finger. And now it's looking okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into Andros. We're gonna try this again, go back into Andros and pretty much just try to erase what just happened altogether. I think I've said that before. I love those matte shimmery shades, but they almost never come out correctly when you try to blend them. It's like it has to be a lit shade, or at least in my experience with them, they never come out the way that I want them to. So we're just gonna get rid of that, act like it didn't even happen, goodbye. So yeah, let's try to just keep it simple and do Pure Magic. Oh my gosh, this is one of those really thick ones, but it's very pretty. So we're gonna put Pure Magic on the inner corner on this eye, try to keep it simple. So now I'm gonna go in with a large, this is a multi-stick by Wet n Wild color icon. Yeah, it's just blue like this on my waterline. Okay, and since we're being adventurous today anyway, let's try something we don't usually do. We're gonna use Sonic Bomb on the lower lash line. Don't normally use shimmers down here, but why not, girl? Why not? Okay, so overall it didn't come out terrible, but I'm just disappointed with how that one shade, what was it? Zenith? So disappointed in Zenith. Like, why would you do that? Why would you do that to us? But everything else so far so good. We are gonna continue on the other side. First, let me get off some of this fallout. See how easy that came off? The powder is the move. Use some powder, girl. That is the way to go. I'm tired. I'm a tired girl today. Kind of want to try Solaria. I know we just had the issue with Zenith, but let's do it let's just do it anyway. And I'm gonna put it here, like instant regret. Instant regret, but it's all my fault. It may be the brush, it may be me. Either way, bad idea. So no, we're not doing that one. So now let's try this. We are going to use Dragon Flame. We're actually going to put it in the exact same spot, and maybe it's because we started it too high or whatever with the other shade, but we're not playing that game on this side. I have too much to do today to be playing what the hell is going on with these eyeshadow palettes. That shade is gorgeous. That shade is definitely giving beautiful. It's very pretty. Love it. I'm a fan. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is Sounds of Melody. Sounds of Melody. Y'all know I was singing too. Oh my word. Look at this. Look at this shade right now. This is absolutely gorgeous. Favorite shade so far. Love it. I love it so much. We're gonna bring it all the way to this outer corner like the other side. This is cool. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm a fan. I'm a fan for sure. Okay, so next we're gonna take this shade right here. This is Lymphia. I'm sorry, Baby Winx. I know I butchered up that name, but yeah, we're gonna use this one right here. I feel like that definitely has to be a Winx's name. Lymphia. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the shade like up into the brow, and then I'm gonna go back with that pink. This Sounds of Melody. Is that the right name? Yeah, Sounds of Melody or Songs of Melody. Something with melody in it. We're gonna go back. Even these shades are blending together really well. I'm very pleased with this one. It's looking really, really good. That is very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Very, very gorgeous. Okay, so we are not gonna be making the mistake of trying to use this with a brush again, because we're gonna use, we'll use a shade like that with a brush, because we're gonna use Domino here. Domino looks pretty much like Nature's Symphony, where it's really thick, which it is. I'm sticking my finger in it now, it is really thick. I don't know how I missed this, or like what I was thinking whenever I was swatching it, but that didn't even cross my mind, like maybe you should not use a brush. Maybe that was the whole issue. But yeah, we're gonna take our finger to apply that on this side, which seems to be working out better. And then we're gonna go back into Sounds of Melody and blend all those sides. That's looking pretty good. Now I kind of regret not like just trying something like we did on the other side, because you can still kind of see a hint of that lime green right here. And this side's kind of like lacking something. But I just looked at the palette like, ooh, what should I do? But I'm just gonna leave it, because honestly, this other side was so much work. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think we're just gonna use Pure Magic again for the inner corner highlight on this side. We're definitely gonna be seeing this palette again, because even though it is kind of patchy in some areas, I do like it. Like like collectively, I like it. It's very, very cute, especially this eye is definitely giving Valentine's Day, which is, you know, I know that it's like next month, but I feel like it's Among Us, like it's coming soon. So we'll definitely get some more Valentine's Day looks. And there's so many purples in here, some like purple and pink, so cute. So on this side, because I don't have a pink one of these, we are gonna, wait, do I feel like I should. I got this one. This one actually would work. This is from the Morphe X Night and collection. So yeah, we're gonna use this on our waterline. And for underneath, because we use a dark shimmer on this side, I kind of want to use this one. Is that a bad idea? We'll find out in the next episode. Absolutely gorgeous. That shade is beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead, add liner and lashes, then we'll come back and I'll give you my final thought. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I just added liner and lashes. I had on lip gloss from before, so I didn't add anything extra. But you guys, I have to say that I really do like this palette. Like, I know that we had an issue with this eye, but honestly, it's probably more so my placement than anything and the brush that I used. So we are definitely gonna give this palette another chance. You guys will definitely see another tutorial. And again, if you want to see the swatches, the YouTube short is already up with the swatches, the colors on there. So you can see how they look on like my arm whenever I swatch them versus how they look on my skin. If you're interested in that, it is there. If you are not already, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, let me know in the comment section which eyeshadow look is your favorite, and you guys will see my face in the next one. Oh, and PS, don't forget, if you are not already subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe because we will be having a huge 1K giveaway. Once we hit 1K, the giveaway will be huge. It is open to everybody. So yeah, make sure you subscribe.